Hello, handsome fella. Hi, come here. You want to step up? Nope, we want head scratches. Okay, we get lots of head scratches. Lots of head scratches. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, that is a good boy. Oh, yes. What a good boy. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Look. We chewed up our Nutriberry from our foraging toy. And look at this. We chewed up a bunch of balsa from a toy. And we're eating our pellets. And we're eating some of our mash. What a good boy. Come here, Mr. Pup. Nope. I want more head scratches. Oh, you are so good. What a good boy. What a good boy you are. You're the handsomest fella ever. Are you the handsomest fella ever? Yes, you are. It's true. It's true. Oh, sorry. Okay. More head scratches. More head scratches. Okay. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Are you the best little man ever? Are you the best little man ever? Oh, big stretch. Okay. Okay. What do you think? You want to step up? Nope, I want more head scratches. Oh, you are absolutely rotten. Absolutely rotten.